Hi friends, welcome back. It's Miss Bria, your neighborhood speech therapist, and today we're going to the garden. Miss Bria has a garden, and gardens can be very messy, so Miss Bria had to lay a garbage bag down. Something else you can use to plant a garden is gloves. It keeps your hands from touching the dirt. Now, we have to talk about all of the things that we need for our garden because I hope that you will go and plant your own garden too. Let's talk about what we need. The first thing you need is a shovel. Why do we use a shovel? Well, it helps us dig. Can you say dig? We dig with the shovel. The next thing you need is dirt. Look at that brown dirt. You can get dirt from outside, or you can go to the store and get planting dirt. The dirt helps our seeds grow and get roots so they can grow into something beautiful. The next thing you need is a bin or a pot to put your dirt in. If you're using the dirt from outside, you don't need anything. You can use that dirt in the ground and on top of the ground. But since I'm using this type of dirt, I need a bin or a pot. So I have a bin, I have dirt, I have my shovel, and now I need, what do you think is in here? Yes, I need water. We pour the water into the dirt so that the seed can have the nourishment that it needs to grow. Now, I keep saying that word, seed. What is a seed? Well, I'm going to show you. Miss Bria has 3 different seeds that she's going to use today. All right, let me show you my first seed. Look at this seed. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so tiny. Can you say that with me? Tiny. Tiny is the same thing as small. Look at how small and tiny this little seed is. Let me show you my next seed. Look at this seed. This seed is also really tiny, but this seed is really, it's moving. This seed is really round. Can you say that? Round. So we're going to say small seed and round seed. Let me show you my next seed. Whoa! Look at how big this seed is. What type of seed is this? Is it small or big? Yes, this is a big seed. We're going to plant the tiny seed, the round seed, and the big seed together today. Now, I made a song so that we know how to plant our seeds. Let's go sing it. All right, friends, it's time for us to plant our seeds. Let's sing how to do it. This is how we plant our seeds, plant our seeds, plant our seeds. This is how we plant our seeds. We dig and drop. This is how we plant our seeds, plant our seeds, plant our seeds. This is how we plant our seeds. We dig and drop. This is how we rinse our seeds, rinse our seeds, rinse our seeds. This is how we rinse our seeds. We pour and fill. This is how we rinse our seeds, rinse our seeds, rinse our seeds. This is how we rinse our seeds. We pour and fill. Yay! Okay, friends, so you learned how we plant and rinse our seeds. Let's do it together. Miss Bria's going to get my shovel and we're going to dig and we're going to take our big seed and we're going to drop it in. Now it's time for us to hide our seed. We hide it by putting more dirt on top. Can you say on top? Yes! Let's put more dirt on top. Now it's time to plant our round seed. How do we plant our seed? We dig and drop. Yay! We hide it now. What do we hide it with? More dirt. Good. And we put the dirt, what? On the bottom or on top? On top. Let's put more dirt on top and hide that seed. All right, last seed. This is our tiny small seed. We dig and drop. Good. And now it's time to hide it. Let's get some dirt and put it on top. Yay! Now we have to pour and rinse our seeds with the water. Can you say, pour out? Let's pour out our water. Pour out. Yay! We're watering our seeds and rinsing them with the water so that they can grow. Okay, we put our seeds in, we put our dirt on top, and now we have to let our seeds sit outside in the sun so that they can grow. This takes time. Can you do that? Time. It takes time for our seeds to grow. Let's wait a little bit and we'll go see what they grew. I'll see you over there. Hi friends, it's been a couple of weeks and look what our garden made. We gave our garden some time and it grew so many different things. It's time for us to pull them out. We're going to pull them and make them come up and out so we can see what we grew. Are you ready? Let's start over here. Oh, it looks like we grew beautiful, beautiful flowers. Look at these flowers. Let's talk about them. Let's dig down and pull out. Can you say that? Pull out. Oh, look at these flowers. What color are these flowers? Yes, they're red and they're beautiful. Did you know that flowers have a smell? Yes. What do we use to smell? We use our nose. Can I teach you a trick? When you're feeling upset and you're feeling angry, you know what you can do? You can pretend like you're smelling flowers. Let me show you what you do. You put it near your nose and you say, oh man, that makes me feel so much better. You want to try it with me? And guess what? I get to smell the flowers too. These flowers smell so nice and sweet. I love the smell of these flowers. I'm so glad that our seed allowed us to grow beautiful flowers. Let's see what else we grew. Oh, look. These are more flowers. What color are these flowers? Pink. Pink flowers and red flowers. What do we do when we want to smell it? We use our nose and we breathe in and out. These flowers smell sweet too. Sweet red flowers and sweet pink flowers. Try that with me again. When I'm feeling really upset and I'm feeling really angry or I'm feeling really sad, I can pretend to smell my flowers. I say, good job, friends. Let's see what else we grew. I'm going to use my shovel to kind of dig these out. We grew flowers, but it looks like, can you see it? Look, it looks like we grew some fruits and vegetables too. Let's dig them out together. Oh, I see something green in here. Let's pull out. Oh, we grew some cucumbers. Cucumbers are round and green. And I love to eat cucumbers. You can eat them in a salad or you can eat them by themselves. Cucumbers are a vegetable. Do you like cucumbers? Yes, me too. Good job. Let's see what else we grew. Oh, I see something red. Look at this one. This is a strawberry. Good. And the shape of this strawberry is like a triangle. There's 3 sides, up, down, and to the side. There's 3 sides to this triangle strawberry. When you bite into a strawberry, it's really juicy and sweet. It's a fruit. I love strawberries, sweet strawberries, and sweet smelling flowers. Good job. I see 2 more things in here. Let's dig and pull out. What is this? These are red tomatoes. These are also a vegetable. Wow. We can eat cucumbers and we can eat strawberries and we can eat tomatoes. I love tomatoes. You can also eat these in a salad or by themselves. Good job. Another vegetable. 1 vegetable and 2 vegetables. Let's pull out this last one. Oh, whoa. Look at this brown potato. I love to eat potatoes. You can eat potatoes mashed, or you can eat them diced. You can eat them baked, or you can eat them sliced. You can eat potatoes in many different ways. Did you know what French fries are made of? Do you know what French fries are made of? Potatoes! Do you know what chips are made of? Potatoes! You can use potatoes for so many different things. Is this potato a fruit or a vegetable? It's a vegetable and it's also round. Good job, friends. It's kind of an oval shape. I'm so proud of you guys. We planted our seeds and they grew into something beautiful. They grew into fruits and vegetables and beautiful, beautiful flowers. We learned a song about how to plant seeds. We dig them and we drop them. We learned that seeds need water and sunlight to grow. You did so good today, friends, and I hope that when you're at home, you go and plant your own garden. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!